Hello everyone, it's Kushmika Kruridatta back with the modified version of whatever I have discussed in the last video. In my last video lecture, I discussed about my innovation on writing pattern-based multiplication table for any n-digit number within a minute. In this video, I'll be discussing about the modified version of the same, and I'll also demonstrate the method of multiplication between any two number m digit to n digit, where m and n can be any number and m and n can be equal or it may not be equal. Now let us just recall the patterns of the different numbers. As I have discussed, every number follows a certain pattern. So here I have written the pattern for 1, that means the number ending with 1. As I have told earlier, so it will be 11, 21, 121, anything the number ends with 1. So it is the pattern for number ending 1, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0. And then number ending 9, it is 9, 8, 7, 6, and so on. Number ending 2, it is the pattern for 2, it is the pattern for 8, it is the pattern for 5, 4, 6, 3, 2, 7. Now, I have written in this way because that number ending with 1 and 9, they are almost complement to each other. 2 and 8, they are complement to each other. And then 5 is very simple. 6 and 4, it is complement to each other. And 3 and 7, that is complement to each other. So if this number ending with 1 and 9, we need not by heart anything because it is ascending order, this is descending order, this is ascending order of the even number, this is descending order of the even number, this is 505050. And only if you remember the pattern for 4 and 3, 6 and 7, we can relate and remember. So we need not remember all the patterns, but we can still work it out with the patterns. Now let us understand how the 2-digit multiplication we will do it using this pattern. Now that I have taken a multiplication between a 4-digit by a 3-digit number. Now if you just see what all numbers are there, so I will explain you how to write the multiplication of these two without using multiplication at all. Now I have got the 8693 as the first number and I have considered 547 as the second number. Now I have to write the patterns for 8693 and up to how many lines I have to write. It depends on the highest number present in the second number. Now in the second number, the highest number present is 7. So I will write for the pattern table for 8693 up to 7. So here the number of columns is equal to the number of numbers present in the first number, and number of rows depends on what is the highest number present in the second number. So I have written 8693 and then I have written up to 7. Now let's understand how it works. Now this is 7, so I will just mark this is the 7th line. Now whatever is the first number here, I'll write it in this. Now how many changes happened in this pattern? This is 1, 2. This 2 will be added with the last number. So 2 plus 3, it is 5. Now you will check it out in this pattern how many changes happened. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 2. So I will get it. It's 8. Now I have to measure what are the changes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 6. It is 10. I'll write 0 and 1 is there in your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1 is 6. So I got the multiplication of 7 with the full 8693 number. Okay. Now what are the changes means whichever place the number is decremented, I have marked there. Okay. Now let us do the same thing for 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I will cut in the position of 4. Now you see the number is 2. So I will write it is 2. Then how many changes happened? It is 1. So 1 plus 6, it is 7. Now here we will observe how many changes happened. 1, 2, 3 plus 4, it is 7. Now here we'll see how many changes happened. It is 1 and 2 plus 2, it's 4. Now here we'll check it out. This is 1, 2, 3. So we'll write it 3. So here I have completed with 4 multiplication of this. Now the last number is 5. So I'll just mark it in 5. So the rightmost number is 5. I'll write as it is. Now we'll check how many changes. It's 1 change plus 5. It is 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 changes. Not 4 changes. It is 1, 2, 3 changes. And then it is plus 0. Okay. So up to this it's 4 changes plus 0, it's 4. And then 1, 2, 3, and this is 3. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4. So now I will add up all this number. So it is 1, 7, 0, 1, 2 hands. So it is 5. Then we'll get 5, then 7, then 4. So we got the answer. Fine. Now this can be repeated in the second pattern, where we can take that 5, 4, 7 as the first number and 8, 6, 9, 3 as a second number. In that, what we will get the benefit or the demerits, we'll try to understand here. Here, because the first number is having 3 digits, so I have to write the pattern for only 3 numbers. Okay. But because here the number is 9, highest number present in the second is 9. So I have to write up to 9. So here we have 3 columns but 9 rows. Okay. Now once we have written that, let us now understand how to write down that. So it is 3. First number is 3. So we'll calculate 1, 2, 3 and we will draw a line here. So first here this number is 1. I'll write it 1. Then here the number of changes is 2 plus 2, it's 4. Then here it is 1 plus 5, it is 6. Then it is 1 and the number is 1. Okay. Now the next case 9. So I'll draw a line here. First number is 3. I'll write it 3. Then it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 6. It's 12. 2, 1 is there. So it is 1, 2, 3 plus 1 is 4 plus 5. It's 9. And here 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have a 4. Now next 9 is over, 3 is over. Now let's go for 6. So 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in this 2 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 4. It is 8. Then 1, 2. So plus 0 it's 2. And this is 1, 2, 3. So it is 3. Okay. Now let's go for 8. So we will take it 8. So first is 6. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 2. It's 7. Then 1, 2, 3 plus 0. That's 3. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 4. Now if you just add it up, you will get the same answer. So here, if you just analyze the numbers again, you can reduce the time, because we are not doing a very big addition, or nowhere we are using multiplication, but nowhere we are using a big addition also. So here one thing is there, if you have a lower number in the second position, then I don't have to do that much of addition. But if I have higher number in the first position, then I have to write the patterns of that many variety. So both the pattern I have discussed, so according to you, whichever is convenient, you can follow. With that, I thank all of you to listen to me. Thank you.